Okay, answer the questions. Question will be like, does a force from the ground accelerate a car, or the force from the engine? Why? For this question, like the common sense will be the engine making the car go forward, but it's not true. I think is the engine is just making the wheel going. If the car is driving in the ice, in the deep mud, something like stinky, slippy, the wheel is just spinning, and the car is not moving at all. So the answer for this one is the frictional force from the ground. Frictional force is is pushing the car go forward. Okay, it's just like on the ground, the tires are pushing backward against the ground because of friction, and by understanding the Newton's third law, the ground is pushing the tire in the opposite direction, pushing the tire on the opposite direction, and accelerating the car go forward. The wheel is going backward, and the ground is pushing the wheel because of the friction pushing the wheel forward, so the car is moving. So it's the friction from the ground that makes the car going forward. Okay, the second one. To keep a car moving without spinning, friction between the tire and ground is zero. Is that friction kinetic or static? It is static friction. It is the static friction from the ground. It is that keeps the car moving. By understanding the static friction is the frictional force that required to start an object moving on another surface, which is the tire is moving on the ground surface. So basically the tire is moving, like pushing backward, and the surface of the ground is pushing the tire forward, which is the entire car forward. It is the static friction. Okay, basically that's it for those two questions.